Microsoft reported better-than-expected fiscal fourth quarter results with earnings per share of $2.69 on revenue of $56.2 billion. Analysts had been anticipating EPS of $2.55 on revenue of $55.44 billion. The beat was led by growth in its cloud computing business. However, Microsoft shares fell in pre-market trading after the company's CFO warned on the earnings call that capital expenditure is expected to increase over the next several quarters as Microsoft races to meet strong AI demand. Alphabet reported second quarter results of $1.44 EPS on $74.6 billion revenue that beat Wall Street estimates of $1.34 EPS on revenue of $72.82 billion. The better-than-expected results were driven by advertising growth and stronger-than-expected growth in its cloud business. Google advertising climbed 3.2% to $44.68 billion, while Google Cloud was up 28% to $8.03 billion. Visa yesterday reported adjusted fiscal third quarter earnings per share of $2.16 on revenue of $8.1 billion compared with expectations for earnings of $2.11 a share on revenue of $8.06 billion. Revenue was up 12% from the same time last year. Visa stated that consumer spending was resilient, driving growth in payments volume and processed transactions. Summer tourism boosted cross-border volume. Coca-Cola reported its second quarter earnings before the bell today. Adjusted earnings per share came in at 78 cents versus the expected 72 cents, while revenue came in at $11.97 billion versus the expected $11.75 billion. Like many other food and beverage companies, Coke has been raising prices on its products, and so far consumers have been willing to pay more for their favorite drinks. As PhillipCapital team, we wish you happy and healthy days.